Northwest Bradenton is close to the beautiful white sand beaches of the Gulf, the long stretches where you can enjoy the natural scenery and landscape of Florida. It brings tourists from around the world here for just short visits. Others, lucky enough to own a piece of this lifestyle and live it year-round. People are drawn to this area of Manatee County for the proximity to the water, but also its convenience, just a short drive to the cities of Sarasota and Bradenton. And here, a new area has emerged. The new West Bradenton. It's right along Sarasota Bay off El Conquistador Parkway and close to the world-famous sports training facility of IMG Academies. This summer, work is expected to start on a $2.1 million project to extend El Conquistador Parkway right in front of the new Legends Bay community.
This will make it whole. It's the last 1.1 miles of the roadway going from Legends Bay up to the roundabout at 75th Street West and 53rd Avenue East.
Manatee County transportation officials say the work should be done by the end of this year. It will give the new West Bradenton area some of the best and quickest access to the areas that make Manatee County so desirable.
It certainly provides better access to the beaches and also the shopping and commerce areas along US 41, which is very important to the folks that live out there.
And the newest luxury community in the new West Bradenton is Legends Bay. Residents and guests are greeted by the guardhouse and gated entry, and past the clubhouse for residents are the well-manicured streets. $1 million worth of landscaping was put into Legends Bay. There are quiet lakes throughout the community, and the boardwalk, which leads right to Sarasota Bay, offering quiet spots to enjoy the natural beauty and breathtaking views of the water. This type of neighborhood is new for this area of West Bradenton. The builders at Legends Bay offer new construction in a highly desirable area. Reuben Holland Development is working with well-known Lakewood Ranch-based builder Gibraltar Homes to create the Legends Bay community.
The homes that we designed for Legends Bay were very similar in nature to the homes that we design at Lakewood Ranch. And the reason is because the buyers that we anticipated from the West Bradenton area, as well as our wonderful northeastern and midwestern buyers, are seeking the same kinds of floor plans. Typically, our floor plans on beautiful lakefront homes range from the 2,000 to the 3,000 square foot sizes, and they're in the $300,000 to $500,000 price range. Lakewood Ranch and Legends Bay are going to be the two communities in the next 10 years, and that's why we were so attracted to Legends Bay.
Legends Bay offers homes right on Sarasota Bay, but also homes on lakes, and it offers one of the best locations. Because it's close to IMG Academies, golf, tennis, and the country club are all right in the area.
Our buyers are going to be situated in the best of all worlds. They're on the bay, they're just a few minutes from the beaches, they're just a few minutes from all the cultural amenities that exist in Sarasota and Manatee County. They're just minutes away from the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport, and they're enjoying wonderful bayfront views and or breezes. So Legends Bay will be one of the most incredibly well-located communities in all of the Sarasota-Manatee County area the moment El Conquistador Parkway is completed,
setting the foundation for a great community.